Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be making a DIY facial scrub. The scrub is going to be just a bit of sugar and olive oil. I'm going to put these two products together to make just a quick scrub. And then of course, I'm going to make a DIY avocado and honey face mask. I'm just simply using avocado and honey. So typically what I do first when it comes to washing my face or prepping my face, of course I want to make sure I take all my makeup off, and then I go in with my Avocado Clear Complexion Daily Cleaning Pads. This product is really good. I really love it. It gets all the dirt and grime off of my face throughout the day. I use these maybe 3 times a week because I just don't like to put too many products on my face, especially like every day. Some days I literally just go in with a hot rag and wipe my face down with hot water, and then other days I use the Avocado facial cleaning pads. So I've gone through and taken all of the makeup off my face. At this point, I think that my skin is quite dry. So I'm gonna go through and go ahead and make my exfoliant. What I'm gonna do is take a little bit of my olive oil, pour it into my container, and that's quite a bit, but I'm gonna go from there. And I'm gonna take a bit of my sugar. I can get a spoonful of sugar to my mixture. To my oil. Mixing that in. So I don't want to exfoliate on dry skin. I just go in with a warm rag and wipe my face. I have my hair in a bonnet because I currently have my sister locks curled in pipe cleaners, and I'm trying to let them dry, and they look a little crazy, so I'm just gonna keep my bonnet on. Just gonna gently rub. I don't want to scrub too hard, but I definitely want to exfoliate my skin. So I try to do this routine before I go to bed, or when I wake up on like a Sunday morning or a Saturday morning, but definitely before I go to bed, so all of the ingredients can have time to penetrate my skin and do its job. So now I'm just gonna take a warm rag and wipe everything off my face. I'm gonna go through with my Avocado pad. I went ahead and cut my avocado in half, and then I cut it in half again. And I'm thinking I'm only gonna need this portion of the avocado for my mask. So for moisture, I'm gonna go through with a little bit of almond oil and just add it to my avocado. Of course, add my honey. I need a bit more moisture on my skin, so that's why I went ahead and said I'm gonna add the oil. You don't have to add the oil, you can just do the avocado and honey, but like I said, I feel like my skin needs a bit more moisture, so I'm gonna add the oil. Just mashing it up like baby food. It's gonna be a bit clumpy because I'm mashing it and not blending it, but it's all right. Now that the honey, avocado, and almond oil are all meshed together, I'm just gonna go through and spray my face with a little bit of rose water because my face is a bit dry right now. Of course, I got everything in regards to the soap off my face, but it's leaving my skin a little bit dry. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of moisture to it before I add the face mask. That's just something I do. You don't have to do that. I just like my face to be a little moist before I put the face mask on it. At this point, I'm going to go through with a bit of water and my rose water and add it to my facial steamer. So let's get that going.
And that being the one, how to know when to move on. So the thing is, you have to also check yourself and see what you're looking for.
All right, so my face mask is done. I went ahead and took everything off, cleared my face. Everything feels nice, clean, and soft. I do feel like I could I could have exfoliated more here. But everything else feels good. Either way, I'm gonna go through and spray, conceal everything with some moisturizer. Just taking a little bit, literally a little bit. I'm just massaging it into my skin. So there you have it. I've completed my DIY facial for tonight. I'm gonna go to sleep. Not gonna do anything more to my face. I may put some of my sleeping lip mask on my lips. I'm not for certain yet. I'm still testing this product out. Can't really say if I really like it or not, but yeah, this is how much I've used. Still testing the product out. I don't use it on a consistent basis, so yeah, I haven't really been able to come up with a true opinion on that, but I'm definitely gonna start using it more. Thank you so much for watching my DIY facial video. I do hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day.